Working with strings in Python. I will be making two videos. This is the video one. So here I will be showing you that based on a given string, that maybe the string is hello, welcome to Bharat, we will be taking each word of this sentence, and we will be reversing it. And also I will like to show you that strings in Python are derived from a class str. So what does it mean? It means simply like something like this. Let me make a new file. I'll be naming it as, this is the first program. So this is reverse by word dot py, and let me declare a simple sentence like s equals to hello, welcome to Bharat. This is a simple sentence. Now if I write print hey Python, show me what is the type of this variable s, it would simply say that the type of this variable s is str. Let's check it out. So I will be moving into my terminal, and to hold the output screen we need to write another line, that is input, and we will be passing on please press enter to exit from the console. Fine. Let me save the file and run the file. Let's see what happens. So this is reverse by word dot py. Let me press enter. So it is showing in the console, it is showing class str. So all strings in Python are derived from the class str. Now comes the project, that is we will be taking each of this word and we will be reversing it out. So before reversing, let's convert this string into a list. So to convert this to a list, we will be declaring the name of the list as ls, and we will be taking s dot, we will be splitting it out based on the value of s. No, sorry, based on the value of space. So ls dot split based on the value of spaces, just break it out. Let's see what we have got, whether we have got the list or not. So here I will be printing ls, and I will be saving the file, and again I will be running the file which I had earlier with me. So we have 4 words along with me: hello, welcome to Bharat. Now my motto is to reverse each of this word. So we can declare a function. So here I will be declaring a function. So functions in Python begins with def keyword, and it will be reversing, and it will be taking a value, say ls, okay, ls, and it would, what it would do, it would reverse. So print, it would take ls, and then simply write -1. In this way you can reverse each word in Python. That is, -1 means from the ending of it. So it would start from the end of it and it would reverse it. And so ls means ls have several values. So we need another thing. We need def, another function. We need a range. So for I in range of, it would be taking for I in range ls, it would be taking up the values from this ls. And what it would do is that it would take the values from this okay. So for I in, no, not I in range means that it would be looping. So I in ls, this is a for loop, it would be taking this value from ls, and this will be declared within a function. So control X, reverse is the name of the function, and it is returning s-1. Fine. Then this reverse is the function which takes one word at a time. So it would be taking one word at a time. So word means word, and it would be reversing it. That's the function of, that's what the ref function does. And we will be declaring another function, say def, and this is the what to name, reverse function. It would take the list as an argument, and what it would do is that it would for I in ls, it would take one from this ls list, it would take up one values. Let me press backspace and press enter. It would take one values from ls, each and every word, and it would print and pass it on to the rev, and then it would passes this value, that is I, and it won't be printing in a new line, so I will be sending n equals to spaces. So that's how it works. Okay, now instead of print ls, I'll be calling here this particular function, rev function. So I'll be saying that rev function, and I will be passing on this list, that is ls. Fine. Let me save the file, Control S, and run the file. Let's see what is the output of the program. So hello, none, welcome to Bharat. Okay, so by default, function returns a non-data type. So to avoid this, we simply have to do is that since functions return a non-data type, okay, so def rev will be okay, so print word. So this won't be printing word. What it would do is that okay, so it would return by default. To avoid the return that non-data type, will be simply saying return and word of this is okay, and this would print rev of I. Okay, fine. Since okay, print, okay, fine. Let me save the file and run the program one more time. So hello, welcome to Bharat, please enter a print from the console. Okay, press enter to enter from the console. There will be a new line after this. So after this line, there will be a simple print function, and it would take nothing as an argument. Let me save the file and run the file one more time. Okay, the program is being done. Hello, it is being reversed. Welcome, it is being reversed. To is being reversed. Bharat is also reversed. Please enter. Please press enter to exit from the console. So let me let me guide you what I did here. So basically functions in Python returns a non-data type. So here this is the function. This function, what it is doing, this function is assigned with the task of reversing a word, reversing whatever string is being passed into it. So it is taking this word and it is reversing by this word -1. -1 means from the end of the string, from the end of that particular word. And this is the function, this is the driver code for returning. So it is taking ls. ls means it is taking a list. How can we create a list? So here is the original string. We are converting it to a list by saying ls.split based on the value of spaces, and then inside the rev function this ls is being passed, and it is taking one value and it is passing on to the rev I. So print rev I means rev I would be returning, this is the rev, so it is returning a word in a reversed form and then an end of spaces. So this is the driver code, guys, to take in, and you can make it more dynamic by simply doing something like here in this write input. You will be saying that please enter a string to reverse by word, and we will be saving it inside a value. So what we will be doing is that we will be taking is suppose as my input, and we will be saving it inside my input. Let me press Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Let me also discuss on the fact that by default Python takes everything from the input. It takes everything as an string input. So if this my input had been a integer one, we had to convert it by using simply int and followed by this input line. That is another scenario. So ls would be split, not s. This would be then my input. Fine. Let me save the file and run the file one more time. Let's see what happens. So in the console I am being asked please enter a string to reverse. So I'll be giving like hello, my name is Shomallo, and Khan. Let me press enter. Let's see what see. So each and every word of it is being reversed. So based on the word, the reverse string is working. So this is the number 1 video in which I am working on string and taking each and every word. I am reversing the string. There will be subsequent another video after this one, which would simply what it would do is that it would take up a username from the console and it would be printing out the initial name, like initial name Shumallo Khan, so h.khan, that would be the output. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it and put it to some practice, to some use of on your own. And that's all, guys. Do like, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like, and happy coding.